Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HP printer to Wi-Fi instant fix step by step clearly. Begin by gathering the necessary information for your Wi-Fi network. This includes the network name, also known as the SSID, and the password. Ensure that your HP printer is powered on and placed within range of your Wi-Fi router. Locate the control panel on your printer. Look for the wireless or Wi-Fi button on the panel. Press this button to access the wireless setup menu. Select the option that allows you to connect to a wireless network. Your printer will begin searching for available Wi-Fi networks. Once the search is complete, a list of networks will appear on the screen. Use the arrow buttons to scroll through the list until you find your network name. Select your network name from the list. When prompted, enter your Wi-Fi password using the keypad. Make sure to enter the password correctly, as it is case sensitive. Once the password is entered, confirm the connection. Your printer will attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your printer is connected successfully. If your printer has a display screen, it will show the connection status. You can also print a network configuration page to verify the settings. To do this, navigate to the Settings or Tools menu on your printer. Select the option for Print Network Configuration or similar. If the connection was unsuccessful, double-check your Wi-Fi password and try again. If your printer supports WPS, you can connect it using this method as an alternative. Press the WPS button on your router. Then, within 2 minutes, press the wireless button on your printer. Wait for a few moments while the connection is established. Once connected, confirm again by checking the printer's display or printing the network configuration page. Now your HP printer is connected to your Wi-Fi network. You can start using it wirelessly from your devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.